Hey guys, Andrew here today with Great Lake Sprouts Media. It's fall time. Looking at these leaves here, I'm wondering, why are they changing colors? Why are certain ones different colors? It's because it's fall, these things are deciduous, the Latin name meaning to fall off annually. We look up top, we can see the colors are changing a lot more faster due to the chlorophyll is being used up. During this time of year, the plants are starting to go into dormancy and we start to see these different pigments. Like the red here you see, that's from anthocyanins, like the purple reddish colors that you see in strawberries or blueberries. And then we have another pigment also known as carotenoids. So we see the yellows and the oranges. These pigments are here the whole time in these leaves, but they're masked by the chlorophyll. There's a lot more of it. And like I said, as soon as the season starts to end, this chlorophyll starts to dissipate. It's being used a lot more up in the top of the trees because that's where the light's hitting the leaves and they're photosynthesizing the most. Another feature I forgot to mention in our past poison ivy videos, we could see when you're walking through the woods, if you see a red type leaf, a yellowish type leaf growing on a vine, that's poison ivy. So take a look out for that. It's a good identification feature now to look for and help you identify poison ivy as well. So here's another good example, guys. We got the anthocyanins, the reds, and a little bit of the xanthophylls, the pigments, which are yellow. And another trigger also is the daylight. Once it starts getting shorter, that's also a trigger to the plants know, hey, it's time to go dormant. Let's use up our chlorophyll, put it into our storage system, store it as carbohydrates into the ground. So another interesting thing with changing leaves, this is actually an invasive species called Japanese honeysuckle. You see the red berries. And about a month from now, when a lot of these trees have lost their leaves, this one will still have its leaves. It's not in sync with our native species. It suffocates out all the other plants, especially in the springtime. You'll see that this is one of the first to produce leaves, not allowing the lower canopy to get any photosynthesis or light. You know, it sucks, but yeah, pay attention when you're out in the woods, especially in a month or so, you'll see it. If you don't notice this out, pick it out a lot faster. There you guys have it. Learn a little bit about why leaves turn different colors. If you guys have any more questions, please feel free to comment below and don't forget the like and subscribe button, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.